Hello, my name is Avinash Acharya. As I am giving you information about the war time to time, today I also want to share something with you. That today the war has been reached to 46th day. The war between Ukraine and Russia. Till now, around 20,000 Russian troops has been killed in this war, and a place named Bucha, which is located near the Kiev in Ukraine. So it is the city where Russian troops are killing the citizen brutally. So now the cities like Bucha and Mariupol, these are the most destructive city that has been totally destroyed. And the most important thing is the day before yesterday, there was a meeting in the United Nations, which is located in America, Washington. So a meeting held there about suspending Russia from the institution, which is an international institution, and Russia was also a part of the institution. So there total 193 countries are in the institution. India is including too. So in this vote, around 93 countries vote against Russia. India and other 58 countries didn't vote, they were neutral. And some countries like Belarus and China, they go against the vote. They didn't support the vote, they supported Russia. But India is neutral. India is not supporting any countries. India is acting like neutral, and India is helping Ukraine by giving medical equipment, not weapons for the war. The main thing is that the vote has been passed and now Russia is suspended from the UNHRC. So it is the most struggling time of Russia, that Russia has suspended from the UNHRC, whose part was Russia before. So now everybody is waiting for the time that now what will Russia do, because a lot of sanctions are allotted on Russia. So Russia's economy has been downward. And today is the 46th day of the war between Russia and Ukraine. So many cities of Ukraine and many army troops of Ukraine and both Russia has killed, and many places has been destroyed. There are huge destruction in both the places, in Russia too and in Ukraine too. So it will take a lot of time to develop the economy of the Ukraine, and due to the sanctions which are allotted in Russia, so Russia is also passing through a very struggling time. And there we are protesting against Russia, Vladimir Putin. People are protesting for against him that please stop the war. The war is taking the peace of the whole world. And now let's see that what can happen about the war. It has reached the 46th day, more than 1 month. So now we can just hope that what can happen next. And I hope that the war will finish soon. I will be giving you time to time information about the war that I have got. So thank you so much.